and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Niyi Amuda, and in today's tutorial, we're going to be doing another birthday design for God's minister, Mercy Shinwo. Alright, so today's her birthday. We're going to do something very quick for her. Alright, this image here is what we're going to be using as the main image, right? Okay, so let's go. Okay. Alright, this guy can go out. So basically, we want to get a background that would match with our outfit. Okay, so let's go. Let's bring in this flower right here that we'll be using. All right, so I'm going to cut this like this, and then I'll bring it in. Okay. All right. Okay. See what we're going to do now. I'm going to go over to what we have, photo room. Now, one of these flower, I'm going to make it blurry. So I will go to blur, right, and we'll just make it. We'll put it on motion. Alright, let's reduce it and save. Alright, so let's go back to Pixellab. Alright, so the one that is blurry, I'm going to bring it to the design. This right here, okay? I'm going to add it to the design. Okay. Right, now let's go to the background. Right, we want to use a background from the church. So this is the yellow. Okay, I'm going to click on the, sorry, not this one, minus, click on this, click on the color, then pick it from our, let's pick it from here. Okay, let's pick it from the shirt. Okay, is something there? No, yeah. Let's go again. Let's go again. Let's pick it from here. Okay. Alright, then this one right here, we'll pick it from. Let's check the flower. Let's pick it from here. Alright, so let's see. Does this work? No, we don't want this one. Let me make it white. Let's see. Alright, so let's go. Alright. The covenant keeping God. Alright, so Mercy Shinwo. So let's go. Let's use this Mercy Shinwo. Alright. Let's use a kind of flowery. No. Let's go. This. No, sister. And lead my voice to you. Proclaiming love you reign. Right, stand on. Queen, are you greatly to be praised. Father, you reign over. Let's close up the space. Close it up again. Reduce this. Can we bring this to the front? Increase picture. Reduce this. No, lock this one. Reduce. Right. Okay, so we bring in this flower to the front. Okay, like this, and I'll also copy it and put it on the other side here. Okay, to the back. Alright, copy and bring it right there. I'll do it like this. Let's send this to the back and see. Okay, we're gonna add a shadow to this guy here. It's too much, just a little bit. Okay, this right here, we can bring it to this middle here. Let's see. Okay. Right, then also this is going to come here. Right. So happy birthday, Mr. Chinwo. So let's try to bring in all these other guys. Make sure that there's nothing that's covered. So we're just gonna bring in the text here. So what's going to be here? Just gonna be blissful birthday. Okay. Happy blissful birthday. All right. Okay. So we're gonna bring this down. Okay. So we'll just go over there, change the color to this, and bring it. Let's bring it here. Reduce it. Put it there. Okay. Right. Now the next we want to do is the date. Right. I prefer to use a circle most of the time. So just go over there, select the circle, and then I'm going to choose a color that blends with the design. So I'm going to pick this color. Red is not cool because there's no red here. So I'm going to take either a green or this color here. So I'm going to take a pink color from the flower. Okay, this makes sense more. Right. Okay, so what will just be there is gonna be the date. So we'll come over there, September 5th, right? Okay, let's go. So let's go, just write in there. Let's begin with September Okay. 5th. Okay. Very cool. Then we'll go over there. 1, 2, 3. So we're just going to use the same font. Alright, just make it bold, that's all. And the color is going to be white. Okay. White color. And reduce it. Okay, and sit it over there. Let's do it like this. What if we pick the color from our art? Let's see. What if we pick the color from here? Our shirt, or even our face? No. Let's try to pick the color from our face instead. Okay, let's pick this from our face. Alright, I think this is much better. Alright, so let's just put the finishing touch here. Alright, so this is September. Okay, so we'll go over there and then close it up like this. Okay, we'll just centralize it. Okay, nothing much. Right, so this is Happy Blissful Birthday, Mercy Shinwo. Okay, I think the flower behind is causing problem here. So let's work on it. Let's take it down. Yeah, so that's then even the picture, you can still take it down a little. Okay, you can take Mama's picture. Okay, let's take our picture down a little. Okay, for the sake of the name. Alright. Oh, cool. Alright, so this is just a simple basic design for Mercy Shinwo. September 5th. Alright. Okay, so this is a simple design. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell so that you get notified when I post a tutorial like this. My name is Niyi Amuda. I have a training that's coming up this September. Alright, I will drop the link in the description of this video. Social media class is coming up this September. The price is 1,000 naira to register. Click on the link and get into the class where you learn all about social media designs with massive bonuses. The first link is what you should click to get in. Alright, so this is it. We can go ahead and save. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Right on your screen, you'll see other tutorials you can watch to learn from.